everybody, it's Alexandra here at Leisure RV Center DFW, a dealership a part of Vogt RV World, where we throw our members in our VRV family membership for 12 months on us. Now today I'm going to show you guys around the Chinook Summit SS 360, and there's a couple of things that I can't wait to show you guys because it's super exciting, but you're probably wondering where the door is. Let me show you. Come on. There are so many amazing features on this motorhome that I cannot wait to point out to you guys, but the first biggest one is the fact that this is an all-wheel drive chassis. This is the first one that Chinook has made. You've probably seen their video, and we are so happy to obtain this one. Not only do you have that, but you do have your blackout package to, go with that sports car of motorhome look. So you do have your aggressive wheels. You're gonna have your aggressive tires, your blackout wheels, and then your blackout handles on your storage compartment. Not only do they, add the capability of going off-road, but you do have the luxury of boondocking for a good while because you have 1,350 amp hours on this motorhome. Not only do you have that, but you have your diesel generator. Like, you're gonna be gone for a while. Nobody's gonna see you for a good amount. A lot of the questions I get is, does these units have blind spot detections? This one does. They added in the Cub blind spot, so you do have sensors that are going to shine right at the sides of your mirrors for you, so you're still safe on the road. This unit is also equipped with 600 watts of solar. Not only do you have that, but you do have 4 additional plugs in your utility bay that you can add some other solars as well. Now what's really cool is that this is a true 4 seasons. It is certified by the Timberline that they have on here, which is going to be your hot water heater and your furnace as well. So all hydronics going to run off of your fuel system. Now let's head on inside and I'll show you around in there. All right, now that we are in here, we're going to work from the back forwards. So when you first walk in, you do have all of your controls up top and then a good size wardrobe in here as well for all of you ladies. And then you're going to come into a solid surface Corian shower, which is amazing. And then across from it is going to be your bath with the toilet and your vanity and all of that fun stuff in there. Here we'll work into our kitchen area, the little dinette area. You do have a double burner induction cooktop. This one is fixed. It's not removable like how you've seen in some of the other models. And then you kind of work into your bed or couch or dinette area here. Your bed will convert and it'll be, you can make it into a king or just keep it as 2 twins. What's really nice is also the Truma Aventa AC that is on this. It is ducted, so you can either control it from the remote or from that control panel in the back as well. But it is super quiet and everybody has been really loving it from the feedback that I get. Up kind of further back, you are going to have your controls for your jack system and then also your JBL speaker for whenever you do need that kind of surround sound when you got your TV going, right? All right, now before we make it up to the cab area, I just want to show you guys this thing does not lack storage here. You have a full side on your passenger side that's full of available storage exteriorly. You have your interior storage, and the design that they have done for this motorhome is literally just so sleek, so beautiful with the colors that they have. It really just pops with that black and orange. So storage doesn't lack. You also have storage right behind your TV. So it's going to be kind of like a little pass-through storage with these 2 on the side as well. So, I mean, you're doing really good here. All right, so we have made it up here. So you are going to have your typical Mercedes safety features on this model as well. But just up here with the style that they have done with this motorhome, it just feels like all in one. You got the luxury all throughout, and then on the outside you do have that super awesome like adventurous type of feel and look to it. You do have your digital rear view camera, which is really great for a motorhome this size, so you can see who's behind you at all times without having to constantly worry or get the bigger mirrors. Also with this motorhome being a narrow body, you can get in and out of traffic really easy, in and out of spots really easy, and it just kind of just flows with it. Another great thing that I forgot to mention earlier is the fact that Chinook does add in an extra safety precaution for their customers, which is a thermal suppression system. What it is tubing around all of your main points where a potential not so great thing could happen. So you have them in your under your hood, where your batteries are, where your generator are. They want to make sure that their customers and your unit is safe at all costs. Thank you guys for watching. Please leave a comment down below and let us know what your favorite features were about this Chinook. We'd love to have you guys come out in person and take a look at it. Please like and subscribe and keep a lookout on our YouTube for more videos. Happy camping!